I recently made a video covering the Sony a7S III, which I adore, and how to connect your Canon lenses to this unit using a Metabones adapter. I was completely wrong about this. Now the Metabones adapter, this is the latest version. I connected my Canon lens, this is a 24-105, to the camera, and I thought this is really cool, this super fast autofocus. Check, I'll hold it up here so you can hear it. In photography mode, that's awesome. When you go to video mode, however, the autofocus on this doesn't know what the heck to do with itself. Here I am, I have my camera, and I'm going to mount the Metabones adapter onto the camera. Now when I turn it on, you'll notice the blue light. The blue light says that I'm in normal mode, and I shoot. The autofocus is freaking fast when holding down the button and to shoot photography. When I turn into video mode, I have nothing. It is not going to autofocus by pressing the button, by tapping the screen. It's not going to happen. So here's what has to happen. Let's turn the camera off. Like this, with this open, I have to turn the camera on. The camera's now on, and there's light flooding into my screen. Now I have to take this dude, and there's a little button right there on the Metabones. I have to hold that button down, mount the Metabones on here while holding the button down. When I do that, notice I have a little red light. It says I'm in advanced mode. Now it will try and autofocus on things. It's going to hunt all over the place. Now, let's say I turn the camera off. If I happen to disconnect this lens for any reason, I'm done. It's not going to remember that. Apparently, there's a trickle charge in here, and when I turn this thing back on, it remembers that I am in this advanced mode. If I turn this off and pull this lens off for any reason, or pull the adapter off, let's say I'm going to shoot with another Sony lens or something like that, and then I put this lens back on, and I turn this back on, guess what? I'm not in advanced mode, I'm in video mode, and I have nothing. I don't mean to complain or rant about this, I just think it should be made more clear that this does not work with Canon lenses on a Sony a7S III for video autofocusing. So my suggestion using the Metabones adapter with your Canon glass is completely wrong. They don't really mention it. You have to deep dive into this thing, and I think that's a shame. Don't forget, 6 free courses over at Basic Filmmaker University, and more coming soon, especially my OBS Master course. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I don't know if you can hear that. It is still trying to autofocus on a lit thing on the wall. It just doesn't frickin' work.